Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today program cover major political tension, serious election concern, children released from army group, legal battles against traffic police, tough government reshuffles, and new economic figure that raise both hope and fear. These stories are important. They affect the future of South Sudan. They affect peace, democracy, and the daily life of ordinary peace. Please stay with us until the end. Like, share, and subscribe to Changfied so more people can hear the truth. Let's begin our first top story with Machar allies warn of fake election after peace deal changes. A senior opposition official has warned that South Sudan may be heading toward what he called a fake or sham election. This warning comes after the government approved major change to the 2018 peace agreement. The official speaking out is Engineer Joseph Malwal Dong, a senior member of the SPLM-IO political bureau based in Juba. He aligned with Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president who signed the peace agreement with President KIIR Mayardit. According to Malwal, the government is changing the rules of the peace deal in a way that removes key protection meant to ensure free and fair elections. What was changed? The 2018 peace agreement clearly stated that important steps must happen before elections. And this step included writing a permanent constitution, holding a national population census, preparing a strong election law and institutions. However, the government has now approved changes that removed or delayed this step. Under the new changes, elections are planned for December 2026. The population census will happen after election, not before. Time limit for voter registration have been shortened. Legal deadlines have been reduced. Malwal says these changes destroy the purpose of the peace agreement. Malwal speaks out. Malwal told journalists that the government is rewriting the agreement to suit itself. He said many articles were removed and replaced with assumptions made by the ruling side. In his words, South Sudan is being pushed toward an election that looks legal on paper but is not real in practice. He believed that without a permanent constitution, election will lack legitimacy. According to him, people trusted the peace agreement because it showed a clear path forward. But now, he said that path has been broken. Malwal also spoke about the ongoing trial of Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other opposition figures. They are accused of being linked to a March 2025 attack on a military base in Nasser County. The trial started. Malwal strongly rejected the accusation. He said there's no real evidence. He claimed witnesses failed to prove any involvement. He described the case as a political witch hunt meant to silence opposition voices. international community criticized. Malwal also criticized the international community. He accused them of siding with the government under the excuse of respecting sovereignty. Malwal stated that real sovereignty comes from election, not power taken by force. According to him, South Sudanese leaders have never been elected by the people. Because of that, he said no leader has full legitimacy. Let's look at the election readiness question. Malwal raised another key issue. He asked how election can happen when political parties have not held internal conventions. He said parties have not chosen candidates properly. Election laws are incomplete. Institutions are weak, yet elections are still being pushed forward. He believed the international community knows this reality, but is not acting seriously. Malwal made it clear that his group won the original peace agreement respected. They won a permanent constitution, a clear legal process, election based on law, not shortcuts. Without this, he said, election will only deepen the crisis. The government of South Sudan has not officially responded to these accusations. Political tension between SPLM-IO and SPLM continue to grow. Let's move on to our second top story. SPLM-IO honored underage fighter to the United Nations in South Sudan. In Jonglei State, a positive development has taken place. The Sudan People Liberation Movement, or SPLM-IO, under Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president who is now facing trial in Juba Special Court. SPLM-IO in Neural County has handed over 8 underage boys to the United Nations. The boys were transferred to UNIMIS Child Protection Unit for reunification with their families. Let's look at the background of the case. The young boys were part of a group of 24 youths. They had earlier fled a government military training base in Upper Nile State. After escaping they crossed into Neural County and presented themselves to SPLM-IO authorities. UNIMIS officials later came to verify their age. 8 of them were confirmed to be under 18-year-old. Let's look at the official statement. The county commissioner appointed by SPLM-IO under Nathaniel Uyet confirmed the honorable. He said the United Nations verified the children's age before accepting them. The remaining 16 youths were confirmed to be adult and were not evacuated. SPLM-IO military officials welcomed the move. They say the children are now safe and will be reunited with their parents. Let's listen to the civil society reaction. Civil society activists praised the decision. However, they strongly condemn forced recruitment by the SSPDF under KIIR. They reminded authorities that recruiting minors is illegal under the South Sudanese law and international agreement. They say any recruitment must be transparent and lawful. Forced recruitment increased after clash earlier this year in Upper Nile State. Fighting in Nasser and Wulang counties led to many deaths. After that, recruitment campaign expanded to the other areas. Human rights group continued to raise alarmed. Let's move on to our third top story. Bar Association to sue traffic police. The South Sudan Bar Association has announced legal action against traffic police leadership. This comes after new vehicle rules and fees were introduced. The rules include banning right-hand drive vehicles, banning tight window, restricting sliding door to one side only. Drivers were given 7 days to comply. Let's look at the lawmaker reaction. Members of parliament strongly criticize the move. They say the traffic police do not have legal authority to make such rules. Some lawmakers accuse traffic officials of using regulation to extort money from the public. They pointed to new driving test fees and license renewal change. Let's look at the legal action announced. The Bar Association chairperson say the rules violate the Constitution. He announced the creation of a public interest in litigation committee. This committee will challenge unlawful decision and defend citizen right. Let's move on to our fourth top story. President Salva Kiir Mayardit remove senior officials. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made major change in government leadership. Several senior officials were removed through presidential decrees. Security sector. The head of the Internal Security Bureau was relieved. He was replaced by a general promoted to full rank. At the Ministry of Transport, the Undersecretary was replaced. The Managing Director of Civil Aviation was removed. New officials were appointed immediately. And at the University of Juba, the Vice-Chancellor was removed. A former Vice-Chancellor was reinstated. The head of the Financial Intelligence Unit was also replaced. These changes signal ongoing power shift within the government. Let's look at our top 5 story. South Sudan lead Africa in economic growth, but risk remain. South Sudan is projected to grow its economy by nearly 25% this year. This makes it the fastest growing economy in Africa according to international projections. The main reason is the return of oil export. The oil pipeline resumed operation after being damaged last year. Oil accounts for about 90% of government revenue. Despite the strong growth figure, experts warn the economy remains fragile. Conflict in Sudan could disrupt oil transport. Any disruption would quickly affect government income. Other oil-dependent countries face similar risk. Growth on paper does not always mean improvement in daily life. Without peace, stability, and accountability, economic gain may not reach the people. These stories show country at a crossroad. Election without trust, peace without agreement, growth without security. The future of South Sudan depends on law, inclusion, and honesty. Thank you for watching Changfied News. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Biya kamal gwasame bane ler kon lat karodian bane kaling tel lat karodere wik ka South Sudan. Bana je to kaleraniam. The one very important de koran palpin kaliang den. Kan konon yam gorno jin subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel. Be notification bell be twine. Ko mate kaler mishi break gwasame be chamala shubekije. Chana je to kaleraniam. Jikwa dareng machar chikalado nena Queen Kwarmlat ke balat ekeni a fake election kishi election mabalat Ramala senior opposition ko kuma SPLM-IO che warning che jetup che kam South Sudan ka wonat ka kuin kwari che kuin kwarum che chole nena fake or sham election me lade je ke lo de janu a kuin kwari me lat ke no balat ka cha balat ko akach ajane do mi gon nyeno bwej be je ka ja en warning me ke jo chetup mala ler me de linga ideal ko kuma SPLM-IO kana South Sudanese in general ajane ta danen cha male cha tai koron kin dang ro dul badak cha te cha yat pin ke cha mat pin akir kana dakma char cha ger kan dial ajane te kon de cha approved wal cha ka ger ka cha nyo ga approve tin kon cha ger an official dan chi right chal chode engineer Joseph Malwal Dong jene senior member ka bona SPLM-IO political bureau mentere wiki juba jen cho da madak regmachar the first by president me tanmal kene kirmi yadit malwal chela do nena ajane ji kume changodi ale konde cha yatpin kamale cha tanya la peace deal chicken ka ger kan dial ajane ki protection te cha yanpin ko de kan mal de kan lat de kan kule both ke free and fair election ko de kan queen mi jidit ke queen magwa metal maj ketel chak de kana kule both reide jane chi kuma kirme yadit te shit ka tokan dial chaka ger tin cha ger tin cha lat kantina kate konte cha matping karon kin dangre wel badak ala peace agreement 2018 peace agreement jala de jojen wonena kantin cha ger kantina ajani maniam permanent constitution yala do ba jo tuk ala bongone ba tuk ko kor kam ci ko in kware ci tok mana dien ajana national population census queen nat man ba na queen ke ba pek nat ba jangach jana cha nyoko mo kwa jana ka o misha election cha ja ko lat ke ko in kware chenyo lat bono na ka na ren ko yalka nona kore dialati jen mi kanare ala ka chigande tok so chala don menyam mende kon tup mo gorga jano be ba ko en kwar ba jelat jen permanent constitution de jelat jen national population census de jelat jen ne dial de kan ready ke de karen prepare rewika South Sudan ka de ne dial kontin la bon ke part ne de kan ne ke dial kontin ba kwanya la kwa de kan ka kwany ba jen ti dial ti kan ko lat shi kuma cewa yalakan wo shi kan plan shi kan lat ka jan cenya pai kan non ki gere pai kan non gwada me shi kan plan lat ko ba ko in kware ba lat ka pai wero ronkin dang ro jan dang ro bakal kan population census ke ko pek nat ba lat after election shi ko in kware ce to ba census ke pek nat ba ko ko ma ci dem to kan mu to na mare wi na dial anyok ba janine kontin vote ke voter tin ba kwar kula kwan registration dien ke gorin ko dien pinya kan kuin kwar kan to kwa cha mu ka peg mu to long and that kan ko mention and changa binete ko la voter bu ko dien bu ka shurin gar pinga ja cha tam limit cha jangun akan so janime china me katiba ba ti jakka South Sudan ko boloy kor ke tala mal banon ko tala mede lat ma kan te diale ko ne cha tan dakang ma char kene kir point ma kan ko kon lat telo gamme de ko in kwade jalat ke ja malwal chela do wonene charoy kene te kon la journalist chega jogo nonena jene government nyoko te cha gwar pin ka cha mat pin nyoko ko baga gor ko buga we ke the government is writing the agreement to suit itself. Gore ke tiwe ke chiwe ke ne ko kien. Lo to no kan ke lo chikan dier ke ne ko kien tin konti te kulela peace partner. Ajane cha article don wan cha ko watch re bongon medane cha yat pin ke peace agreement the ruling party ke kum kirmi yadit. Yala do ne right now jaka ji South Sudanese dial ko ba ka push ka buga waka election makan ko real katen mi cha gore je banka paper ka jene gore agora ka warga joja go along, but in reality re wika South Sudan telemid lehrode telemi chomedeten. So she can warning mo chicken to beno telemi chalke e ko inquiry re wika South Sudan. A gentleman gorke long gwaseme ni ne dialo kontin kule la shitka dakmachar ka kwi yen cha yen ka jama ka te ka trial ki tere lokan ne dang baro ka goñ me cha goñ ka medan ka kore dan chito ka paidiok on kin dang ro jan dang ro dich wade cha military base kana sa county cha de kef anwer wai army so mi chena mone cha go jeno anu ba ko in kwara ko lat gor jeno de ka konlun jeni en yene ha yere doctor machar kana je kware jeni no real evidence cha je tele evidence nyodo cheng machar che dwer che jelat kana de konti la witness ne kinen tele ke evident wrong to cook and prove no che dak ma cha get involved she jen queen che jen lugodan loka dak ma cha ki yene sha yene she chole political witch hunt bluno kwa silent ne opposition voice kene de content te ko kum SPLM-IO goron jeno ba jodian ba jabat chicken burach ke tele mbikana lar jeri por mo che jelat malwal che ji international community che galat jor la che KIIR European Union United Nation kan dial ne dial konte gwik man to kre wik South Sudan gwijetin ne tenga jo KIIR che fail ka leadership no che international community che jogo no ne dwal yen ko de yen KIIR yen ko dwer eko Ludian mental ke sovereignty ko country mchire South Sudan chelai independent chaka dele jogo no yen miladian mo mijek so dwal kan ke KIIR ko ye bom chena de interfere ko ida dien miteke sovereignty ajene sovereignty be ka kor ko micha ko inquire cha jalat la cha ko ngajeno ramo mo illegitimate ki cha kwanya neka not when ramimo mo ko force na ki want to rule people by force na more chelet and money. Ajene sovereignty come from election, not power taken by force. Kajo cheladan malwal gwaseme. Ajene South Sudanese leader no kan ka mukwan. Kan ka mukwan nekian. South Sudanese leader have never been elected by the people. Teramichino kwani me dane kwa independent kwa ejek. Kakuja mo jene Shimalwal shejaladendo telerami momete ka power ke tekalwang ka kanetiti tintiwi ko abchitka kirma yadit ko kir kana kon kwany rami cha kula kwany jalatika boma dino kir kana kwany chedeti wi ko am ko bom malwal che right ke some key issues no chela do nene de queen kwa dara talk mi political parties no me can take a mental ke internal convention ke right de kan go kon de kan den a konur go kan party ni dial ke bon tinten wana mo kan ke nyur go akel abikarandien ke candidates bikana kwany no ajene party have not chosen candidates properly ajene mekan kwarm kan ga kwany ko dan ba ko kwany ajene election mo bala incomplete election law are incomplete ngotin konen kwany ga kwar ka je ajene ke week ke tala minyot kene ko tala mi go mishalat ajene institution are weak kenetin kontin lat katidiality kongo da ba larke jeno election ba wonyam ba ko inquire ba jelat eno chero jeno nene jeni international community ngai kan mishir kana me ba tele milet kana ka kwida ano kada dia lat katine kumen go tigata ba lat ka kan fulfill ba election ba jelat ngai international community jen go muwe talk ba tigari tan wan ba talk malwal she lat jojen wonene Gorney original peace agreement and obajelot. Ajana Gorney permanent constitution, can a clear legal process, can a election based on law, not shortcut. A janitel go shortcut ka queen quare. Gente dial baka deal gore. Permanent constitution back on to kana no niam. A janitel ke kentitine. A janitel mishal ke election. En queen quare malat kamo berem nungo berem ni rikten kona to wika South Sudan. Kan kuma maraike akir miyadit teleke respond ke telemichikan alat. The government has not officially respond to this accusation. Ngai kon diale kuma SPLM-IO kan SPLM te karering ni tongwan chedem ngai kon no te ter te keten ku inquiry. Ajen mne tama kuma kir miyadit ka bane diale no ana wo ke election makan nyinga dial kan ko tup ka agreement e kono yikan gatany ke kuma SPLM-IO maraike Dr. Machar wana kala rawde SPLM-IO shalan wo chikan ngani ti chakaf ne ka gwase dare wiki juba ngani chum kudang jok ti chakaf kuma SSPDF pinkir mi yadit re anang dor chal ka panal ka malakal chako ngi dor chal ka balit ka chakaf ko bom ka gorko ken bi ko nyin ano ke nuer wai ami ki ke kuma SPLM-IO ko kuma SSPDF United one chigarodian chigajenten. Kajo chakul no gwas me ngwane titi ngwane chuku jandang ro dong wan charian bar gwate dane chaga nang ten ko kane shanke jeka lonka balit kan nanga ke akushi mana kena lat kane kare renal ka cargo plan jo nang ka malakal nanke en woken ikane timo tela criminally ka chakan la do tela duermi ne lat kajo chakul at gwas me men kulela good news mila positive development kuma SPLM-IO ti kenne de to gar tiene to ke young man to tone de la under age de ya kwan ke cha recruit lo de la de ni ke SSPDF cha no kwal ya ka receive kuma SPLM-IO Kenyirol County che SPLM-IO entere wi Kenyirol County ikan gar to na gwazadan ti kan ga kaf antam che jojo gwano cha gad choko badak chaka kam United Nation antama chaka kam Unit Child Protection Unit ko buka wuje ka shemana ken ko nanga ke akwai ke shemana ken chala do buka wuje ka buka chu dor ken kan ngane shaling te mulo kon jogwa de to rekten ngane nanga ke re wiki juba ano jwa nang re wich kamalakal ala kudang jok ban ngante charen bar choko jandang ridung wan ana kan ngani chi akula nente ti shiro den kula barti manke no me chi kan gien ka kume ke ga government military training base ka panal state you can wither shal communal county ne ga shobdien you are received a kume SPLM-IO authorities a unit official ka kore you can verify it no chicken ngai kan gar tiende tone amenrun ken ko ji unit sikana goro no bikaram mo mela hadal kiram shidit bikana olwak me chicken confirm no ne dang badak ka ken ngane jendang ro ngwanda to run ken cho wal badak wopin me ram te grunol badag wopin ram mo bikana nang ko bikana jago be jege shemana ko kap ko ke teleka lwang ke kan kanalat so chikan la no ne chikan ngan dang badag ti chikan ga kap ka chikan kanang chirmene yen mo ka kan turn ti tin gwasme county commissioner man cha pon kuma SPLM-IO pin natanelo yet chikan ne ti chikan ga top chikan ga kam UN United Nation Chikana commissioner shala do ne United Nations chikana verify it no gada ti ngot kan ka kwa akan kan chikala do ne dangwal bakel king wan dangwal bakel te la use chika do jok wa kan ka dal ki gane ti dit wa kan ke va kwet ke kan kanang che maneken de o jeno big decision bi kan la mek magane di ti achi kuma SPLM-IO ki ngum ji to bare jo ka gwasan be SPLM-IO military official chikana welcome anu amugwalong anu de gat no ana gat charge de jako dong de janang deika question SSPDF question adwer ano gade ka gang chikala no tam gade konde chi ben kane kesa ka chatan en chaga jego ba ga reunite ka their parent ke ka mana ken kan gwana ken civil society activists she can decision and chalat gwasa me kuma SPLM-IO she can aliya kalongo decision magwa ka tumne dien ka gatin content chi we ka gang den ko taram de tik dien de jabat she can assess PDF she can condemn ala forced recruitment me makap kana ka bomba nan kana dai ka bom she can condemn she can authority she can remind ke she can galaro ne na an ramme mo la minor and wo baje nang deka tele she man ngaitin kane mujek kane illegal under what South Sudan law kane international agreement kane me menang ran deka ki krudu men lat ka mo bala transparent ki bala beteka pere ka badil goro ngoten content cha yan pin shi o shi atel de ni ya gad ya kulo kap ko bom ajene mo kap ran ka bom lari kin wala ka nunga no ajenda nen kona ni siang mo gamin to ya kap la ya rod ya naga ka kwang ka dial ko kana we ka ditka anyok la kor wala ka nunga shirma ngai kona kor to kan nasir kana ulang ne de konde charu yen chana ngwad minen to karik tungwan ye kore anen te chanen kene te konde chana SSP dia ko te ko yara diu riuden dial don chigane dit nan ka ngut ka kwa chi ko lo pis minemi ka nyok chetene ngwane anyok nang kene te kon la SSP dia lo la jaka ba chu yorten ti ba ke shi mor te ramurayen so no moring mudit human right group chikala do ne me mujek ba jadil protect and shall recruitment rewi ka South Sudan chana ben gwasame ler diode bar association no kene content tet ko ngot kene bikan traffic police bikan su ke bikan nanka court ke ba jawe ba jette ke men je ka chalat South Sudan bar association chikana announce no ne bikan legal action bikan kan ka kwi traffic police la kwar police ne traffic police wa take a new vehicle rule chikan ga yapin kana yo to gor kan ga kana chikan ke introduce chikala do ne na bikan torbele kone la gerke kai choi kan dial kan bikan ka ban ke bikan ka watch kana ngod dial ko ken tibaj bay chikan ga yapin kan banning right and drive vehicles, banning tinted window, banning restricting sliding door to one side only. Can she can ne konta la gate kana kamin dang barokoro mo te she can complied ba ne to ba ka ker aduno she law ma ko she ka ga kamishit kana me members of parliament she can strongly disagree ka she can criticize but and move mishit kana me kana she chuang traffic police kana tele legal authority tele ka long tele ka power ka such rules and they ka rule they can make chitan law makari she can traffic official she can gwanya no nena regulation teacher or we can get they use this to extort money can it content la the public can it content the which so chicken yo mo chicken lat chikala do nena we can it we can get chol ko bu ro kaka ko chicken goro te mi jagradian betwok kan it can police ni mi kan lat ke traffic police away ko we can generate ka do mi chol lot leran wanen gwasame kirma yadi te kan it watch kan it to tinchi prison self kim yadi ka watch kan it kon la kwar shikir yadit che international security bureau che judge ya gwada che kam general ka je promote to full rank mero da gwasame ka transport and aviation cha under secretary cha judge cha kam cha managing director of civil aviation cha je remove bane but new official were appointed immediately dioje cha na cha watch nyok manadian ka University of Juba cha vice chancellor cha watch cha former vice chancellor cha nyom ko inga jagwada ni ram mo ko na vice chancellor wan learn these and gwasman banaling South Sudan wa bikan Africa bikan elite ka queen economy grow ka jarona wanatana cha jolat gwasme South Sudan is projected to grow its economy by nearly 25% this year. Can it be South Sudan be economy there but when yala long Rewika Africa karipon mishalad a international projection changeling agwam de konoti jeno kamen economic jega the economy dara kula gwade dara when yala de calling manan chikalat kwasame wa main reason wa duobadan sha oil export cha to goje nang crude oil nang ga jaka Port Sudan no chi report chu barar no South Sudan be economy da be grow long do be grow go janana chala do 90% of government revenue wa be karep and oil economy ban mo kwala janana wa kan pipeline dial te kon te sha yarwal wa cha nyoko melep ko kentama lo chikelet kan dial no chi report mo ishu barar eno bukume be yoto ngwalung be kajek so mo jakume ko bi economy de ba kay nyala long tara ni kan lat kan yo dial ba kajek ko sha all the pipeline te kon te sha yarwal no gen conflict dun Sudan edan me chire dial chaga yara kan en tam char dial chaga yalaka the oil pipeline resumed operation after being damaged last year. So, 90% government works wa ba big yo can get lo being economy nyoko grow but chanya lat bono there are some warning sign then you know bad day michala de ben go South Sudan it take a fastest growing economy in Africa report on channel wachang michala da wati ren wana dong de yar nyokon tama ko door pai ta inka kenin ten pai menyam shang man chala da ken expert ni no na me da ten na cha warning ba cha etup wa economy ba da ni jiyagan tama nyok kaman nyam wa da la kor Sudan dong de oil transport de disrupt ke dar je yar mi sha je disrupt your talk de dial de ka yare wi ka South Sudan just a matter of time ko dong de dial content when mo de jeg de no balara no South Sudan as the will have the fastest economic growth this year ki ka jan tamamen ka ko cha pipeline cha nyomreal ka there's ongoing civil war in Sudan so na me she guarantee long but according to the report chi konling mardian gwasame ti dialat ke chik la dollar ke no wujibet gwa betedi la wo ka ta la gwane ka pin but in reality tell me la roda kay international community mite malat ke la kana ledin full chicken makan konto chicken na report so la kana report ke les kana let but ka Africa do la jarel ke ka chaje bila let bichu je ngwasamo ka jeno chiran chero promise and promise banga mo bane agane ko ken cap kan no talk but in reality it is not true so na me agenda na le rode ene ban nyo jeka le rodian chwe pro jeno jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi support bi atakamal bye bye